Hello students, myself Rakesh Kumar Meena, Assistant Professor in English at Government College Rajgarh. In this video lecture, I will teach you the poem Enterprise written by Nissim Ezekiel. In my previous video lecture on this poem, we have seen that a group of people undertakes a religious journey moved by a noble aspiration. And now I am going to explain the poem. The poet writes in stanza second of this poem. He writes, "We stood it very well. I thought, observed, and put down copious notes on things the peasants sold and brought, the way of serpents and of goats, the three cities where a sage had taught." And the word meanings of this stanza are: stood it very well means faced it successfully. Put down means not or wrote anything. Copious means plentiful. Peasants means farmer. And now the explanation of this stanza. In these lines, the poet says that he thought that they succeeded well in facing all the difficulties coming in their way. On their way, the pilgrims keep themselves busy by taking notes on various things. The farmers were selling and buying. The pilgrims also noted down the ways of snakes and goats, as well as the description of the three cities where a hermit was giving lessons. Thus, through this stanza, the poet wants to tell us how people get distracted from their main goal when they are on the journey of their life. They waste away their time and energy in doing useless and minor things. This stanza also shows Ezekiel as a master of perfect diction. His language is simple yet suggestive. Further, the poet writes in stanza number 3 of this poem. He writes here, "But when the differences arose on how to cross a desert patch, we lost a friend whose stylish prose was quite the best of all our patch. His shadow falls on us and grows." And the word meanings are: desert patch means a piece of wasteland or heath. Shadow means it is a shadow of discord, disagreement. And the explanation of this stanza: the pilgrims continue their journey for some time in spite of adverse conditions and challenges. But at last, they give away or lose their idealism and singleness of purpose. The poet says, soon the pilgrims reached a stage where differences of opinions arose among them, arguing about how to cross the challenging landscape. As a result of this, one of the members of the group who wrote the most stylish prose leaves the group angrily. Therefore, a shadow of discord fell onto their enterprise and continued to grow. Thus, they become egotistic and they start concentrating on trivial issues. Their main concern now is the way, not the ultimate aim or goal of their journey. They now lacked the zeal with which they started their journey. Thus, the ego of the people weakens the integrity of pilgrimage. And with this, it is the end of this video lecture. In my next video, we will carry on our discussion on this poem, Enterprise. Thank you.